First thing the something tell you say, you are, what? It is recording. That's what it says. It is recording. So if when me call them and the line is recording everything when me say with my name, my number, my address, everything I record. What is social media for me no come tell a lie? You call upon mine and me call back upon fear. System for system. And when the one they ban, me go and call them again. System for system. I's not in a system, a phone in a system. You do to me, I do to you. I cuss whole heap of people pitney. I cuss out twep baby, which is wrong. I cuss Rosalie baby, which is wrong. Triple baby, which is wrong. Many more we can tell me about. And at the same thing happen now, then come back round and them a cuss ice. It's just is what it is, and it's just the world where you live in a. You have to can't able to take back things. I used to show me now no shame or whatever when them a cuss ice me no look. Cause me out say ice head big for show it big. The people they not telling a lie. But might just now go walk around and call my pitney big head, but him head big. So when them talk the truth, I understand the truth. If them do the same head big and he head, what else is there to say about him? Him fat and him chubby. Me can't see that. Him handsome no fuck. Me can't see that. Him head big. And I mean get it from. Me can't see that. So me not go cuss you for your truth. When you comment on my things, you just make it stay. But you just need to give me a break. Like give me a break. Whenever nobody now use them do things for gain followers. Nobody now use them for everybody eyes upon eyes. Not even me the eyes upon. Cause people now watch me for me. People are watch me all because them can't see eyes. Cause people out there naturally love eyes. And that is why I build a platform for eyes. I build a TikTok so I can post where them now have to come on me page. I turn off the comments, I turn off the shares, I turn off everything. Only thing you can do, you can like it over on TikTok. And on Instagram, I can comment on whatever. I make him my Instagram, I make him my TikTok. When you don't want to see eyes, when you go over on Instagram, or when you go over on TikTok. I want to watch him over there. I make him my own platform. So when you not, because yeah, some people when you like me, when you can't stand me. So I don't want when I dep on my page and him dep on it to know I see me. When you can't go see him by himself. And for everybody who said me I use eyes for get gift, I been a get gift. When Able Boss introduced me to TikTok for start making money, Able make me come on TikTok and make money. When Able Boss introduced me to TikTok, I been a get my gift them. At 25,000 USD, I make for my first match. If you remember that big match there, when Melly used to shoot for me and them people, they over on TikTok. I been a get my gift. Before I find out I'm pregnant, I been a get my gift. And my gift make me direct my first apartment. And my gift make me furnish out my apartment. I been a get gift. No baby no come do nothing. I mean no use ice for get no money. Ice is spoiled. Him don't like for sleep. Him don't like for lay. Once him lay down, him a go ball. And if me allow him for ball, yes, I me take him up and tap make a pitney ball. When me take him up so that him no ball, yes, I me put him down because me a spoil him. What me supposed to do with him then? What me for do with him? Time up? What me for do with him? Obviously, me have to have him for my life. It is hard for them on a life. And me have ice in my hand. And me the halfway upon the screen and him a hide out. So it is hard for have him in my hand. So might as well me just hold him on the 2 hours in the picture. So nobody can feel like say. And then you know what him a go tell me see him on him live I say. Since me the baby want money, me fi put on ice pan one chair and put him in front of the camera. I said you try set me up and you now you can't set me up. You know see I said the boy I try set me up. Why would I put my baby alone in front of the camera? Evidence I said you try set me up for go screen record, for go care go court for tell judge say me I use the baby for get me I make money off a baby. You think me I eat that? You think me I eat that? I said you try set me up. For sure say me have ice alone in front of camera. If you can't go court for sure say ice me I use to make money. Why would I put a young baby? He can't even sit down up. Why would I put him in a one camera by himself? It just hurt to see a name that depend the last. And let me tell you something. Him now push, you now push out no love for that pity like how you push it out for ice. Why? Because ice popular. You see if ice never popular and ice did unknown, you would hear about this boy. You that's me alone. And me and my baby alone you would see. But true my baby come with comments and views and it's not a hype thing, but a ice at the top. For baby wise, a ice at the top. every platform where Jamaicans know themselves. Ice. For now. Ice are the talk over Facebook. Ice are the talk over TikTok. Ice are the talk over YouTube. Ice are the everybody love Ice. So Trim, see that now. You want to use that. That's why you want Ice. If first thing you get Ice, but me know exactly what you're going to do. You're going to make one video and you're going to post it on your page because you know that I'm going to give you views and that I'm going to give you comments and that I'm going to give you shares and that I'm going to give you likes. That's why you want Ice. That's why you want Ice. Why you not go concentrate on fear one way up? You get one now. Low my one and go on. I think you that low mine and go on. You're not going to leave him alone because he's popular. If we or you push out effort for quote and something, take care of your woman where they down there and a data mother. Honestly, me not trouble the girl. As I serve on my life, I'm pitting life, me not afraid to come talk no. If me catch a crutch and me put my body will go there crutch me, we come live and tell you say my body a crutch me. Me no need for tell her life. Me a trouble a girl, cause girl now come out to come fight me. Me honestly not trouble this girl, but every day this girl make post about me. I mean, watch our page, bro. For you come on TikTok and you go on the bloggers, them TikTok, you're going to see it. You see the page and them talk the things have everything on it. So don't feel like say you're going to ask me, say, oh, me know that. Me not have to watch her. My black sheep on every platform. My black imp on every platform. And yes, today, when the people, they want girl in my Instagram, send me thank shy, send me say him the on live over my name. Me go unblock him, bro. Me go unblock him and me say add me and him say you didn't let me see my son, you have my number, can call me, I'm not on this media shit and him never want to add me and me that try block him back and me can't block nobody, me only can mute them because me reach the limit on TikTok for block. That's why I only can get to no comment under my things them because me can't block no more. Me I fear unblock and the amount of people me unblock and me still can't block. So stop act like people are trouble these people. Nobody not trouble these people. Me forget about that boy and gone. Why don't I feel like say me a mad over one boy or whatever? Me not mad over a boy. Me I live my life. Me have my son. Me have my son. Me have everything. Me no need nothing else. Me have my son. In can't interfere. In can't come and me a put and my name the my baby birth paper. Feminine name the my baby birth paper. So with that being said, na boy not have no talk and me have full custody right now until the judge says so. You say you're going to win custody. You say you have evidence. You say you go down a courthouse and you get number and you wait for them give me number. Why is it hard for you to ease yourself and wait until court start? Am I wrong? If you have all of these evidence and you know you're going to win court and you have to make a court, why can't you just wait? Why you come on live every day with me name? And everything with on TikTok, it'll just repeat. Tell me if you don't hear nothing new. There is nothing new. We go on TikTok live every day about me. And the same thing. People are going to join your box and talk on me pum thing. They might talk say every boy me do it as some me behave. They might talk say yes, get full custody of your child. They might talk say everything is just a repeat. Nothing new in the day. Every time you turn on your life. I mean not chat boy your army I do, I just make contents. Honestly. That's the only thing I do. When you turn on your live and you talk about me and the people them over there, I make contents. I naturally love content. Like from Facebook days, I take up my video and I redo contents and whatever. I have my son. I'm gonna take him as one little big fluffy teddy bear and me and him use contents. That's it. I mean, I want nobody come. If you want to call me a bitter baby mother, I don't give a fuck. 9 months in a pregnancy and me alone, I have messages. When I say, give me $100 for help towards ultrasound, and you said no. Yes, tell me N-O, no. Me have messages. When I ask if I carry me go hospital and me doctor and me have to pay for your gas. Me have messages. When I send me money for buy test, pregnancy test, and you thief me $15 how much money for it, and you don't send it back on now. Me have messages as evidence. When me come mash up your car and you tell me say $900 for fix everything, I make send you the money and you want to rob me one next $400, I'm tell you me not sending you no more because what you tell me say for it, I that my pay for. Me have those. You say you go and you can't me got a code for that because I already pay you for that. Me pay you back. The same money we say for it, I eat me send you. And if a baby you got a coat boy, you can't bring Tom, Dick and Harry night or one thing. A baby we are talking. You can't bring Kiara something in a baby at the topic. But guess what? You are trying to intimidate me. You feel like you telling me say, you are going to do this and you are going to do that. I go call your phone and I go say, oh, come see Ice. Him say, nah, work out. So that I'm mad him. And that's why if me done a top post Ice too. You feel grateful say me a post Ice because I probably never have to post Ice. I can't dare and hide out Ice out of my life. I can't dare only hear him voice. Me's a good mother after all. I've been posting him. So everybody say Ice 24 seconds. Why you can't see him? Go turn on a face. Right now in the my page I watch my live. You hear me tell him? In the my page I watch me. You realize you can't intimidate me. You know what you tell me say? When me dey pregnant, you tell me say me can't leave the hospital without me now go left the hospital with the baby. Who remember that me have a message, me have everything for courthouse. You tell me say me can't left the hospital with Ice. Why you tell me say me can't left the hospital without Ice? Because you call CPS for me. The CPS lady tell me say a long time you call her. But she say as a CPS lady, she cannot come to me if the baby never born. The same day me left hospital at the same day the CPS woman got hospital for me. But the only thing that me did left early, when by the time she reached at the hospital, me gone at me yard. When the woman come knock on the door, the woman tell me say she just left hospital because she come for me but them release me. So the woman said she can't understand because when him tell her say me I go through and me take mental breakdown in the hospital, she said the doctors would have let you out. The doctors would have make some nurse or some counselor come talk to you. They would have let you out. So that part I have to call him back. So him been called CPS for me long time, but the woman said she could come to me because the baby not born yet and she did have to see the baby. When the woman come at me and the woman look for ice room clean, food there so, no something on the pan him, no nothing. Until the woman say me cut me hand when me dey pregnant and me I try to kill myself. The woman say, hold out your hand, make me see your hand. Me hold out my hand. The woman say, I'm gonna call my manager, a supervisor. The woman call her supervisor, when she call her supervisor and I talk, she take a picture of them on my hand and she send it go get the supervisor. The supervisor call back and say those are all scars. They ask if me ever see counseling. But tell them see a couple years that when me did in a high school, me did see counseling feet and whatever. What a lucky thing my mother not hide receipt and hide paper. My mother saved them something different when me used to go counseling and whatever. And the counseling woman is a drover with it and my mother friends so. My mother have to call the woman while the woman do her 30 investigation. Get papers for sure say me did see counseling. Me just never go on a medication because me no mad to go on medication. Me just they need somebody to talk to. Counseling no mean to say you're mad. Counseling can help you towards a little breakdown or if you need somebody to talk to. Counseling mean anything. It mean say true you're mental and cut up yourself you need counseling. I can't be the witness then kill my granny and cut her throat and me have a breakdown. Make me this counseling and when time you somebody me take it out for myself. When me show the CPS woman that and the CPS woman bring that to our supervisor, the people them say, well, that not have nothing to do with the baby. The baby don't have no scar. The baby have food in him house. The baby have him own room. Everything good. The lady house is clean. Our income is alright. Case closed. And the woman close my CPS case. When me a move, I tell my mother, say, Mama, me a move. My mother say, tell the CPS say you a move. Just in case anything. I tell the woman say me a move. The woman say, it's okay, Miss Bonnie, you don't got to tell us that you're moving because your case is closed. Keep my number, contact me if anything. I'm here. That's it, a case lock. He could come live, come talk, say a case, what go on with the case, because it don't work out in our favor. So through case don't work out in our favor now, you want to try to go court. I mean, here say something for your life, so you calm me down. You never calm me down in a CPS time. I stress me under and I go live. How much day me come off a live, guys? Me come off a live about 3 days me not come live and the next day me come back live. So if CPS did not calm me down, probably I would get to come live for the whole 30 days and CPS don't stop you from come live. If CPS did stop me from come live, I could just do 3 days without live. I would have to do like a good 2 weeks or I would have to do a whole month for not come. The people them can't interview in your private business. I only if I pressure they upon me them time there. Pressure they upon me, I say no, I'm just so give me I look a break. And you know why I come back live? Because I see everybody a post our CPS to learn to come live. And I say no, so them people I eat that and I turn on back my life. If 4th day I turn on back my life, you never make shit happen. You need to come off and you need to rest me. Yeah, your girl we are plan things to get views. You need to rest me. You need to rest me because I'm not talk about you. I need to kill you. The fact that you see me over TikTok and me I beg me top sign roses, me I laugh over TikTok, me not see you. When she a drop her words, me still not drop no words. Every morning, me get up, me post my baby. Me happy, me clean him, me bathe him. Me go over on TikTok. Me beg my money. Me laugh at my TikTokers, them, me sensation them, me socialize. That a hurt you. Cause you want me for the, you want a picture for paint like me and run you down. And that you want. Your sister Ivany gone now. Normally, mother call you and tell you I'm sorry and come see ice. You realize, say, from December, me not call back your phone. For your call CPS for me, you block for every. Yesterday, I block him off from it and block him on TikTok for join him live. And if you did admit to your life, I ask you, why you pum kill your mother? Because I don't know why you think I go come talk reason. I go ask you, why you pum kill your mother? Why are you in your mouth? For your name off me chicken me left. I look up cut me did one from you. Coming on the other is man in America. I'm rather go lay down back in a bed with you than go make another man come dig up my hole. And for everybody out there, we are call me blood clot germs that all me breed for 3 months. That the girl in the with that the man the 1 year and share breed now though. Why difference? Yeah, I make post about Atlanta mad now married hoes. Oh, you're not married yet? Oh, you're not married yet? I may make him take down my picture off Instagram. Can I still about me and eyes picture? I'm custom every day. Hey boy, take my Instagram live I go in. And me make you know say, hey boy, take off my blood clot picture. Can I take down for me? Nobody knows say maybe mother take it down. And I want them go take it down. Me not see them bro. Me not trouble them. Me not trouble she. Me not trouble him. Me just do my thing. And the fact that me I do my thing they hurt. You see what them do now? Them live for my name the whole day yesterday and day before. No me answer. Them gonna have me over pink wall. All of the blogger page them, oh this a mad me now and that's why I come out to talk as me a mad, not knowing say them turn on them. Yesterday me dey on my life so good I beg money. When them over the 3,000 of them over the on my name and me dey on live. Now that me answer now, you got hear say me a mix up and me a problem and people are mad me, that's why I come talk, but them not talk say them first a fuck around me. And all the cost them a cost me a contents me a use and I kill them. Every time something come up, me go make a video and that alone beat them bad. Me dying for court start, bro. Me sorry say Atlanta things so slow. Me dying for start. Me dying for start. Cause all you do is try to intimidate me and it now work. That's all you're trying to do is intimidate person. You can't, you can't intimidate me, it now work. Your old mama will tell me about demon girl, if you keep texting my phone, I'm gonna call Ice. You know go call Ice, but me tell Ice say you start me call. Oh, you come by for text me. Me ain't call you, you call me. I don't want to talk some things like this them want, you know. You talk to me Thanksgiving. You know me the pregnant on Thanksgiving. Why you never did buy stuff on Amazon and can't come give me? You know me did pregnant. You never give me nothing as a grandmother for the baby. The day when me give birth in the hospital, me, you want always on video call and you see your grandpitney. Why you never have Pampers reach me at the hospital? Or why when I came out of the hospital, you didn't contact me? You have the whole of this from you have the whole of from what you call it? You have from Thanksgiving to Christmas, from Christmas to January, February. We're in a March now, and a March now you want to contact me? Miss me no idiot. As a grandmother to a pitney where you want, to your grandpitney where you want help to take care of. Why you could help me from them time there? Why you never know say if you send Ice Pampers? You don't know say a true then sister me really now make it boy see the baby. She know as a mother can kill them dead me weak to him, you know. Kill them dead me want him. Kill them dead, me want him. So you know what them do now? She come around as a mother to come sweet talk me up. You come sweet talk me up. You think me I idiot? You come sweet talk me up now for me to get close. Things that me I go brag upon the other girls say, oh, me and the mother-in-law is close. For use that for come see eyes so that him can come round for come see eyes. Me no idiot. Me no idiot. And what y'all do now, you know, try give me things now that maybe court date is close or whatever. Y'all try to give me stuff. So when you give me stuff, you can keep that receipt. Figure show judge say, look, we did buy her Pampers. We did buy her some clothes. That's why I should take the clothes and wear the car. Well, then on a receipt for them, they say, I put them on him. You want to buy me things from Amazon for go show judge say you buy things. For use it, say they were doing something. That's why I'm not take nothing from uno. Me not take nothing from uno. And you can't go court go tell judge say they try give me, I'm not take it. Because I tell the judge say come with bad vibes. I don't know come on me yard with things. So I don't allow you. Because I don't allow you could give me anything. Me have sense. Me I share how mother mix up. His mother come on my phone, come tell me say, Karina things them in a bathroom. And when she realized that the girls was there, her things had to stay in the bathroom and she laughed. She make a giggle sound. And I said, haha, her things had to stay in the bathroom. I didn't know that girl. My son did introduce me to that girl. He went to work and I saw that the door was closed and then I was like, how the door is open? When I went in there, I introduced myself. Her shit had to stay in the bathroom because that's my room. I bought the bed for when I am in Atlanta, I could stay there. So true, she tell me that now she expects say, me did for blood clot take that and boast now and go run go on post go laugh say, oh, mother-in-law run out this. Girl, move your rank in front and your pum kill your father. That's why blood clot our father dead. You pum kill him. That you do not try. You come sweet talk me up. And hey, I tell her oh her whole big and deep. You see my class her and run her off of my phone. Like mother like son. Like mother like son. You there try to trick me. I don't know what do I come take a picnic. You know how picnic eat and survive? Gonna tell me I talk about. But don't eat no chocolate. Don't eat white rice. Eat brown rice. If you didn't come on me, I'd come yam off my rice and chicken. Maybe but I still have look of rice left back for cook rice. How about that? How about if you never yam off my chicken will die in the freezer same way I stable down for come cook right now and eat. How about that? How about you buying some rice? How about all the stuff that you want me to eat? How about buying them so I can cook them for breastfeed? You don't want to buy shit, but you want to tell me what to eat. You don't want to buy nothing. And you know you can't remember because me thump out in gold teeth. Them you know you only bad pan the media. Only I do this pan the media. Only I do this pan the media. I don't see them bro. I wish them not see me neither. Allow me alone. It a mad them say ice is well taken care of. And one thing about me, nothing wrong with begging. I've never put my child in front of the media and say, guys, 1 lion for ice. I'm going to tell lie for ice to get gift. You know, see me come out, come say ice, I go. I not even want the surgery, because I don't want to feel like me I drop no word pan nobody. But you know, see me come out, come say ice want surgery. You know, see me come out, come say ice sick and ice, I go do this. You know, see me come out and say, I'm not tell no lie for my people if get no money I found because the liquor I make off of me, when me beg, I save it for him. Me have my promotion them I do. My wig and everything depend it we I come. Me I do my YouTube, me I do my TikTok. Me can't afford little things to my pitney. I buy little things. I don't need to use him for beg and do nothing. From I can take care of myself. My ear always do, my nails always do, clothes always buy. I can take care of my pitney. I can save them the money that me spend for myself and take care of my pitney. Them follow me alone because I not trouble them for true. Them follow me alone, man. Them follow me alone. And lucky you need to go look at life. Lucky we live in a fuck shop right now. Go look at life, Lucky. Hey, rebel girl. That's my twin, y'all. Yeah. Lucky I need to go look at life. Cause right now if me text Lucky would answer me. Me not ask you, I not want a friend from Lucky. If me call Lucky on WhatsApp right now, Lucky would happy for me. Right now, Lucky we over Tracy live. Lucky would start class Tracy by later on. Lucky would want my friendship right now. I truly not want a friend from Lucky to bun Lucky. Yesterday, me a pass one screen record and see Lucky over there. Say, me did tell her enough to go down and my youth, how much time you gonna repeat this every day? Me pass one screen record, the same thing. Obviously, a friendship you want. Lucky name, Destiny. Obviously, a friendship you want. Cause why you can't get over me? Me and Tracy in the argument now. All the rest Lucky reach over the woman live. Lucky left from TikTok gone over upon Instagram. Oh, you reach over Instagram. Oh, you gone upon Tracy page. You know Tracy from somewhere? And you and Tracy did an audition. Oh, you reach over Tracy page. The woman at the pan, Howie live yesterday at talk with Kim said she Howie cousin. Oh, the woman reach from feel like you had the woman in your box at talk about me.